Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whisper for August 20th, 2019. We are going to start with the SPY, which pretty much has not moved since yesterday. So we're going to be bullish above this 292.50 level, which we're at right now. And we're going to be bearish if we do go below 291.48. And that would be a retracement trade back down to earth, but it looks pretty strong holding up here. We did hit this simple 20 moving average. Yep, computers are always lined up to sell there. If we do go above 293, really nice trade up to 294. There's nothing there. But let's just go to the E-minis for a sec. We're going to be bullish above 29.26. We are on that right now. And bearish below 29.22. Most of the pre-market volume this morning was between 29.2250 and 29.2575. So we are above that pre-market volume. And you can see there is nice room all the way up till we hit the simple 30 right here in orange. Let's go to the Russell. The Russell. So exciting when we get a new dark pool level. And yesterday we did. It's been a long time. 148.69. I did send out a push notification on the app about that. 2.5 million, but still that is a decent level. We just haven't gotten anything. So they were buying over here, by the way. Yeah, this is where they bought, but they didn't show us those trades until yesterday. So that volume should have been in this candle, but it wasn't. They put it into this candle. So yeah, but that's going to be a key level moving forward. If we do come on down and test that level, if we close below it, that would be bearish. As long as we stay above it, that's bullish. Bullish above 150.50 today. Bearish for retracement trade below 150, but I gotta show you this print on IJR. This is a small cap ETF. Most people don't even know about it. We had a 3.3 million print yesterday at 76.61. So watch that level. That's going to be really, really big. And you can see we did hit the 200. Simple moving average yesterday. Computers are lined up to sell there, and they pushed it down. But watch that level because that was look at the volume, highly unusual. All right, so something is going on with these small caps for sure. So let's move on to the NASDAQ. Bullish above 188.50, which we are at right now, and bearish below 188 for a retracement back down to the 8 exponential moving average. In fact, let me just write retracement here. Okay, so let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 77.30. We just went above that. And bearish only below 77.20. And we're going to go to the Dow E-mini futures. We're going to be bullish above 26.150. We just tested that. That's a key level. And bearish below 26.050. Oil's been so exciting lately. Let's go to the oil futures. And where are we? Up. We are above that trend line, by the way. Yes, we are. We finally have gotten above it. Let's see if we can stay above it or not. Yep, we have this nice hammer candle. Then we had an upthrust, and now we are testing that upthrust. So we'll see if we can close strong or not. But today's levels are going to be bullish above 56.20, which we have not gotten there yet, and bearish below 55.65. All right. Gold, we got to talk about gold next. Yeah, gold is huge. Check out this trend line. Yeah, for a couple weeks now. Yep, we are trying to break above it, but it's not happening yet on the weekly chart. This 15.25 area. So today we're going to be bullish above 1520 and bearish below 15. That's where the pivot is. So we'll see how that goes. Let's go to the individual stocks. So I gotta show you Baidu. Yeah, Baidu, we have this lovely morning star pattern. Red candle, doji, and then a green candle on the weekly chart. This is a very bullish bottoming reversal for candles. And it's on the weekly chart, which is the strongest. In fact, I was doing a PowerPoint last night for the training pit. I'm going to be introducing basic candlesticks to you guys tomorrow, and Baidu is in it. So great example. We also had a massive print on Baidu last week. 500,000 shares traded at 95.01. Clearly they were buying. So you have the dark pool and you have a very bullish candlestick pattern. So we'll be bullish above 114 today. We just went above that. And bearish only below 112.50 for retracement. It looks like it wants to be a gap and go. Yeah, whenever they gap it above these major moving averages, yeah, that could be the case. So watch that 15 exponential moving average after the first 15 minutes on the 5-minute chart. If we're above it after 15 minutes, that's usually a gap and go scenario. However, if we do close below it on a 5-minute chart after 15 minutes, then that's usually a pop and drop scenario. Let's go to AMD. AMD, wow, mega prints have been coming into this one again. I love it. We are below all those prints, by the way. That is bearish. I'll only turn bullish above 32, but we did have a million yesterday at 31.89, 590 at 31.98. We are below. Bearish below 30.87. That's a really key level this morning on the pivots. So, yep. Below the prints is bearish, but if you're not in this yet, 30.87 is a key level to watch. Let's go to Beyond. Beyond is very interesting on the charts. Yeah, very interesting. So it looks like we are hitting the 8 EMA, all right, on the daily chart. But looking at the weekly chart, we got some room. So this is why this is my up trade up to about 160. Yeah, that area is going to be resistance. They keep pushing it up, bullish above 156 this morning. However, if they do pull it down, bearish below 152. Yeah, if it can't quite break above this daily, then they may retrace that back down again. Now let's go to Apple. Bullish above 211.50 where they're right now, bearish below 210. For Apple, I do have a next big target at 213.35. Yeah, we'll see if we can hit that today. Kohl's. Yeah, Kohl's is hot this morning. Yep, they're now taking returns from Amazon. That should definitely boost traffic into their stores. Going to be bullish above 50.63. That was a key level this morning. We just went above it. Actually, there's kind of a big spread right now, but watch that 51 level. Yeah, it's really key. Next good entry is bullish above 51. There's a lot of room to the upside. There's nothing there to stop this freight train if it can break above there. And bearish below 48.80 for Kohl's. Let's go to Home Depot. Also another big one this morning. Yeah, retail earnings coming in. Bullish above 212.50. We just shot above that. Next, now this thing loves to trade on $1.25 increments. So 211.25, 212.50, 213.75, 215, and so forth. So that's why we went exactly to 213.75 and pull back. So watch that for another entry. And we did hit a couple targets already. All right, Canopy Growth is hot this morning with a lot of volume. We're going to be bullish above 28.75. All right, on that one, and bearish below 27.50. TLT. TLT has been just kind of coasting along, holding on to the 8 EMA, has not closed below it. This morning it's up testing 145. Guess what we had yesterday? We had a big print thanks to one of my followers on TMV. She called this out to me on Instagram. I do not trade this. This is like a really nasty thing to trade. It's 3 times the bear. It's a decaying ETN. But we did have a massive print on it yesterday. 1.2 million at 1035. Looks like they might be dumping it. Watch that level. That would be bullish. If this moves below 1035, which it is, that is bullish for TLT. I'd rather trade TLT any day. Yeah, options are really good, and it's been amazing. So, but I just want you to be aware of this print because this is unusual, and you can watch this while you're trading. Now, TBT is also the inverse, but it's not an ETN. As well, I do watch this. And this one is below 25 is a major level. 24 is the next one there. But TLT, watch this 145, 25. This could be ready for another move up. And last but not least, Freeport does not have a lot of volume this morning, but wow, did it have prints yesterday. And actually for the past couple of days, been getting some really big prints. We had 1 million at $9.30 yesterday. And then we had 500,000 at $9.50 the other day. So I'm only bullish above that $9.50 and bearish below those prints, but 911 key level to watch today. So there you have it. Those are your whispers of the day. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret.